Hello everyone, this is Kwajalein Atoll. And where is Kwajalein Atoll, you may ask yourselves? Well, that's a good question. I didn't know about it first when I heard about it. I had to go back and look it up, and it is in the Marshall Islands out in the middle of the Pacific, which is about a 6-hour flight, maybe kind of southwest from Honolulu. And this is a video of a dive I did out at Mann Island, which is about 60 minutes probably north of the main base out at Kwaj. And what's so unique about diving out here in these atolls is that the location is so remote that literally I'm probably maybe one of out of several hundred people that have ever even dived in these locations. So that's really, I feel fortunate to have been able to get out there and do that. So on this particular dive, I was using my GoPro Hero 8, and I had it on the underwater settings, the ones that come by default, and I used a GoPro filter, the red filter for it, and the conditions here were pretty good. We had nice clear water. The sun was out, it wasn't overcast, so we had some nice sunlight coming down through the water, and I was getting some really nice shots of the reef and the fish. So, but given all the great benefits of the diving, Kwajalein still has some of the most idyllic beaches that I've ever seen, just like the ones here. There are at least 5 or 6 spots on the island that have some of the most beautiful beaches I have ever seen. It's almost like postcard, picture perfect type beaches. That's just another one of the benefits of being out on Kwaj. So just look at these coral reefs. Look how beautiful they are. I was just using my GoPro Hero 8. This was done probably 4 years ago, 3 years ago, back in 2022, and I just really quite impressed with the detail and the video that the camera was shooting. Okay folks, thanks for watching the video. This is a wrap. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, subscribe, and share. And if you happen to be able to have an opportunity to give it a hype, give it a hype. And if you want to see more of my content from Kwajalein, please just click on the link above. That's my playlist from all my dives in Kwajalein. Alright, thanks everyone. Bye.